Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. On this video, we're going to remember or review question structure. Okay, this is material prepared for the intermediate and advanced level for MIHA students. And the level of the book is pre-intermediate, and you will be able to see it on the virtual classroom. So first thing I want to ask you is to complete these tables, okay? You will be able to see different exercises and you can pause the video anytime you need. So first we have questions with auxiliaries and then questions with verb to be. Okay, so where you go and did you last learn something new? Focus on the information that you are given in order to complete. And then as regards questions with verb to be, we have the question word, we don't know which, verb to be, and subject. We have, for example, where are you? And the first example is, you good at sport? So now you can see the answers, okay? You can pause the video if you would, and if you have any questions, you can write them in the comments. Let's go to the next exercise. So, which is the rule that we have to follow for the structure? In questions with auxiliaries, we put do, does, or did, which are the auxiliaries, before or after the subject. What do you think? And in questions with be, do we put are, is, was, or were before or after the subject? What do you think? You can pause the video until you have the answer. Okay, welcome back. So the answer is before. The subject always appears before, the auxiliaries always appear before the subject, right? So we have auxiliary and then subject. I will give you a quick explanation of the theory that you can see here. So all these questions that start with auxiliaries are yes, no questions. For example, does he live here? Yes, he does. Is he married? No, he isn't. Okay, so you see, even though one starts with does in this case, and the other question starts with verb to be, both questions can be answered either by yes or no. Then take some time to read the rest of this explanation. As regards WH questions, they ask for more than yes or no. Okay, imagine if I ask, where do you live? The answer cannot be yes or no. You have to tell me I live in Córdoba, Argentina, for instance. Right? So pay attention to the structure. Where does he live? Okay, we have question, auxiliary, subject, infinitive. Okay. And so for verb to be. Why are you sad? Okay, why are you sad? Right? What is he doing? So this is very important, okay? When we ask questions with verb to be, you tend to be confused, okay? Because you don't know what follows verb to be. So what can follow verb to be, besides the subject in a question, of course, is an adjective, such as sad, a noun, such as a nurse. So I can ask, for example, is he a nurse? Or why are you a nurse? I can also have a verb, a verb with ing form. For example, what is he doing? Right? Okay, on the right you have the explanation to the rest of the WH questions. I will ask you to read carefully before doing the exercises. You can pause the video anytime, remember. And now we'll ask you to pay close attention to the difference between which and what, okay? So which and what, we can use them to ask for things, okay? But there's a difference. When we use which, we have a limited number of options, okay? So, for example, which do you want, the red or the blue jumper? So we have two options there, clear-cut options. Instead, when I ask what, I have a huge number of options. So for instance, I can ask, what music do you like? The options are endless. Okay, now take some time to complete these exercises. Pause the video, and when you come back, you will see the answers. Okay, welcome back. Here you can see the answers. Take some time, pause the video, and if you have any questions, of course, write them in the comments. So, more practice. Okay, here you go. Try to put the words in the correct order and add an auxiliary or verb to be. Just for you not to confuse, both are auxiliaries, okay, of a different kind. And make questions, okay? Take some time, pause the video, and then let's see the answers. Okay, welcome back. There you go, here are the answers. Please pause the video again if you need, and write down the corrections, okay? So, talk to a friend. Can you try making questions with these prompts, okay? Can you ask questions about a friend's last holidays or a friend's last weekend? Okay. Try to think, what would you say? What questions would you ask? Maybe we can share them in the class. If you want to keep working with question structure, please use the workbook I have uploaded to your virtual classroom and work on pages 5 to 7. Your workbook has a key at the end of the book, so you can check it yourselves. Okay, guys, I hope you have liked the video and see you next time.